In the fabric of our world, threads of environmental crisis weave a sobering tapestry of challenges. Our planet, the only home we've known, faces unprecedented threats, from the smog-choked skies of our cities to the diminishing forests, all symptoms of a deeper ailment rooted in human activities. Our daily routines, albeit unintentionally, have hastened environmental degradation to critical levels. Pollution, deforestation, and melting ice caps are poignant chapters in the story of our planet's distress. Yet, amidst this narrative of despair, there is a palpable urgency for change. This urgency compels us to act, not just be aware. With heightened stakes and the clock ticking loudly, the need for collective, immediate strides toward sustainability is clear. Our environmental challenges demand a seismic shift in how we live, work, and coexist with nature. As we stand at this crossroads, we're faced with a pivotal question. Will we, as stewards of the Earth, rise to meet this moment, realigning our practices and priorities to pave a path toward healing for our environment and ourselves? The journey ahead explores the transformative power of green living, a beacon of hope guiding us from the shadows of crisis to a new dawn. The solution to our environmental challenges extends beyond awareness to meaningful action. Green living isn't just a choice, but a necessity for the survival of our planet and our well-being. Starting at home, adopting eco-friendly practices can significantly lower our environmental impact. Choices such as recycling, conserving water, reducing energy consumption, and selecting sustainable products make a difference. Beyond individual efforts, community initiatives are crucial in magnifying the impact of sustainable living. From recycling programs to urban gardens, these collective efforts not only strengthen community bonds, but also foster sustainable environments for all. They illustrate the power of unity in fostering environmental change. Innovating and participating on both personal and community levels carves out a path to sustainability, marking our contribution to a global effort against environmental degradation. This journey reveals the profound effect our actions have on the planet and our health, showcasing how individual contributions form an integral part of a larger collective solution. Each commitment to green living enriches our planet and our personal well-being. As we embrace sustainable living, we step into a broader understanding of its importance, beyond environmental stewardship to a lifestyle that deeply nurtures our well-being. Adopting eco-friendly practices, from mindful eating to conscious consumerism, mitigates our environmental impact and ushers in notable improvements to our health and happiness. The significance of our actions extends far, offering long-term benefits to our planet. Like the expanding ripples across a pond, every sustainable choice we make contributes to Earth's rejuvenation. This journey is more than preservation, it's about thriving for future generations. Thus, as we move forward, we carry the awareness that our decisions today sculpt tomorrow's world. Green living emerges not merely as a solution, but as a legacy we create, a testament to our dedication to healing our world and ourselves. Together, let's embark on this transformative path, for within the heart of sustainability lies hope for renewal.